Hi guys, Funky Kev here, and this is just going to be a quick update of my X-Ray build. So I'm going to open it up. This has been a while because I've been doing other stuff, but there I just wanted to show everyone my electrics. I've got my 1900 motor there. Over at the back, down here, I have I think it's a SCT Hobby Wing ESC. I've got my servo all done. I've eventually soldered all the wires on. Someone did it for me because I'm not too sure. So I've done most of it, so it's all ready to go. So it's ready to be hitting the tracks when next time I go down, which I think will be in a couple of weeks. I've got a techno box because for some reason the kit don't come with a receiver box, so you have to buy your own and try and fit it somewhere. And as you can see, I've got I'm hoping enough room so the motor don't overheat and don't melt this. So there it is, guys. That is me X-Ray all wired, all electrics in, all steering, everything all done. So the next videos for this will be showing you what it's like around the track. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, leave a comment, and I will see you all next time.